Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax return Namra. First, gather all your essential documents, including any Form W-2s from employers and Form 1099s for other income. Next, identify your correct filing status, such as single, married filing jointly, or head of household. This initial preparation is crucial for an accurate and smooth filing process, ensuring you have all the information ready before you begin. Once your documents are organized, calculate your total income from all sources. Then, look for eligible deductions that can lower your taxable income. Common deductions might include student loan interest or contributions to retirement accounts. Accurately calculating these amounts is key to minimizing your tax liability and ensuring you only pay what you owe. Now it's time to complete the Namra income tax return form itself. Carefully enter all your income, deductions, and credits into the appropriate sections. Take your time and double-check every entry to avoid mistakes that could delay your refund or lead to penalties. Remember to attach any necessary schedules or supporting documents as instructed. Before submitting, conduct a final, thorough review of your entire tax return. Ensure all calculations are correct and all information is accurate. Once confident, choose your submission method, whether electronic filing or mailing a paper copy. Finally, always keep a complete copy of your filed return and all supporting documents for your records, typically for at least 3 years.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.